Hello everyone! Everything I'm going to explain comes directly from technicians who work daily in this very well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to fix this issue. When a client comes in saying, "My Bosch dishwasher showed E17 and stopped mid-cycle," the first thing we explain is that this code indicates a problem with the water intake. Technicians usually describe it like the machine is saying, "I'm not getting the water I need," or "it's coming in irregularly." So it stops the cycle to protect itself and prevent flooding or internal damage. On the other hand, some clients mention that the error appears even when the installation seems correct. One client said, "The door was closed, everything was connected, and suddenly E17 popped up, even though no water had entered yet." This usually happens because the water pressure at the tap isn't sufficient, or the water flow isn't reaching the dishwasher as expected, which triggers the error. Additionally, several clients discovered that sometimes the inlet hose filter was clogged with sediment, blocking the water flow. One client told us, "I cleaned the filter, and the error went away temporarily." Technicians explain that this small filter is key. If water can't flow freely, the sensor detects an incorrect level and stops the machine, thinking there's a serious fault. Meanwhile, other clients noticed that the inlet hose was bent or pinched behind the dishwasher. One said, "I straightened the hose and E17 never came back." This makes sense because if the flow is restricted, the dishwasher receives incorrect signals and enters automatic protection mode. There are also cases where the error comes from the water inlet valve motor. A client mentioned, "I checked the valve, it was stuck, I replaced it, and E17 disappeared." Technicians know that when this valve doesn't regulate water properly, the level sensor interprets it as a fault and blocks the cycle. Finally, sometimes the issue is with the internal water level sensor, which can get clogged with residue or become stuck. One client said, "I cleaned the sensor and I was able to use the dishwasher several times without the error appearing." This explains why even when water is reaching the machine correctly, it can still show E17. The sensor simply isn't detecting the level accurately.